This building one I see for my back now, one of the buildings where the inside Secretariat complex for Saple Road. We go sabi say many administrations wey don't come for Edo State be abandon all these buildings. But since Godwin Obaseki become governor for Edo State, now he begin to work on all these buildings and he don't control them to wait till they call world-class standard. As they see, so we go see say indoor tire everywhere and he don't create ogbonge parking space. Maybe say the workers go see where them go to park their cars put. Now TMC TV carry this waka enter Secretariat complex where they for Saple Road today. Make una for see the ogbonge work where Governor Godwin Obaseki don't do for this place. Carry waka enter town, make we ask Edo people how they see am. Say this building where many administrations abandon, Godwin Obaseki don't come turn the face around. Come make we waka go.
A very good project when you do, because over the years that place just dey like that one, they abandon am. So now it be say somebody come, then he can eventually pick up that particular file, dust am, then go into am, come build the structure. So at least for completing the structure, it's a very good thing. And it will help the government, it will help Edo State government to somehow reduce the cost of governance by way of all these parasitos and agencies of government that are renting accommodation in different places. So a very good thing.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, the renovation of that place makes the place to look very beautiful and it's quite okay. I appreciate his work there because that place has been abandoned for a very long time. After Ogbemudia tenure, that place has been there intact. It was like it was abandoned project. But when he came, at least he tried to give it a facelift. It's looking good for now.
It's worthy of emulation to me compared to the past government. But transparency in government depends on waiting the people they talk inside the state. So as the man did to me, he's working fine. He did okay.
Very good innovation from our governor, the vacancy governor. At least he has done well. He don't do well for that place well. So we appreciate that place.
So about that secretariat building is one of the things we be say Edo State they look forward to since. But today now, it don't complete them. So we believe that we still need more from Godwin Obaseki for Edo State. We all know it's a good thing now in do. So I think so far so good. Waiting Obaseki don't do for Edo State. I believe say Edo people then see the good things of waiting their taxpayers' money, waiting they bring come from them, waiting then they use it and do, then they see on today.
For Secretariat building where they for Saple Road, now we can carry waka enter inside town. Make we begin listen to what people get to talk concerning the ogbonge work where Governor Godwin Obaseki don't do for that place. We go sabi say now we do some of the only good work where Obaseki don't do for Edo State, but this one are one of the works where TMC TV they bring, they come give una. And we can't ask ogbonge Edo people how they see the work where they go on for there. Plus, if they go like, make this kind of good thing continue for Edo State, and if they go cast their vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki for second tenure.
According to English, they say good turn deserve another. So because of the things when you don't do so, I believe say Edo people they don't cover their eye. All of them they see waiting they happen. So if they see them say they don't want make them go back to where they come from or make continuity start for the state, then go give their vote to the right person.
Yes, I for like make Obaseki come for second time because you see, one of the problems we get for this country is say, if something good they happen, a lot of people don't they appreciate. But people will appreciate good thing, no good thing, and we go like make that good thing continue.
To me, I prefer him may come back for second term. At least may continue where the work we don't do so far. We continue. At least not be all the work we don't do. Now it don't finish. There are a lot of work we don't start. We never able do reach half. Never able to finish. As he come back, I believe all those work we don't do reach half. He go continue and he go finish them.
Well, to me, I don't get any objection. I want make if he come back, glory be to God. I want him to come back because he have tried his best.
We don't hear wetin they get to talk concerning the work wey dey for Sapele Road, and if they go like make you come back for second tenure, make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come give una. And my name na Edogogo Edoleye.